HAC, Central Pennsylvania's community college, offers a course option that is completely online with a combination of remote instruction and virtual learning. What does this mean for you? For this type of class, you will attend the scheduled class live through Zoom, a video communication tool. Meet with your instructor and classmates during scheduled class times. Interact with your classmates and instructors. For example, this may be through online discussion boards. Use HAC's online tools to complete assigned coursework when you are not meeting via Zoom. And have the flexibility to do your online assignments at different times, as long as deadlines are met. None of your classes or exams will take place on campus. When registering for classes, this option will use the terms remote instruction and online as the description. An example is shown here. At HAC, we have various learning options that work for you. Please visit hac.edu/class options.